Hey guys, I want to walk you guys through how editing works. With Golpo, editing is a super simple process. So basically, all you want to do is click on the video you want to edit, and then click this edit button here, and then you will be presented with this screen. All right, and now let's go through all the different features and things you can do. So firstly, you can see this original video has some overlap, like slight overlapping components. Speculative decoding speed. So you can see part of this appeared before the second component here appeared. So this is because of some overlapping components, and I think it'll be even more clear for this one. So you can see for this component appeared on the left and this one on the right appeared as well, which is not right. And this happened because these bounding boxes are overlapping. So what you can do with editing is you can just edit the bounding boxes in a way that there is no overlap. So you can actually click on any edge and then select it and then edit it out. So you can see now there's no real overlap here. You can do the same thing here. So just take this and move it there, put that back up there. All right, boom. So you can see how you can actually interact with the bounding boxes here. And here also you can see there is some issues with overlapping. So you can fix it in the same process. Let's fix this. All right, once you're done with that, there's another thing you can do where you can actually edit each of these components through natural language. So for example, here, let's say replace the robot with a human. So we can just prompt that. Boom, and it replaces the robot with the human. And let's just make sure there's no overlap here. So yeah, just do it like that. And then you can also kind of edit the animation type. So for the like a fade in animation. So this is the current fade in animation. It kind of fades it in instead of sketching it out. And then sketching left or right is for kind of text. And then the normal sketch is just drawing the whole thing out. So in this case, I think a fade in would be most appropriate. Or actually, we can just do sketch just to show you how you have different types of animation types you can also work with. And then all you want to do then is once you're done with all your changes is click view video preview.
Speculative decoding speeds up LLM inference by attacking the autoregressive bottleneck. Normally, decoding is strictly sequential. One token, one large
So you can see here it kind of fixes the overlapping issues.
forward pass. GPUs are parallel, but decoding isn't, so latency and cost explode. The trick is to add a fast draft model. The small model proposes K future tokens cheaply. Then the large model runs.
And boom, it also changes the human. So once we're satisfied with the video, all we have to do is finalize. But hopefully that gives you a really great perspective on how the editing works. And if you have any more questions, please reach out at founders@golpo.com. Thanks.